In a small, happy town, a shiny yellow bus was getting ready for its day. The sun was smiling in the sky, the trees were swaying gently, and the roads were waiting for the bus to roll by. The wheels of the bus began to turn, slowly at first and faster, round and round, round and round. Just like a merry-go-round, the bus rolled past colorful houses, tall trees, and people waving with big smiles. Everywhere it went, laughter followed. As the bus moved through the town, its shiny doors opened wide and then closed again, open and shut, letting passengers hop in with cheerful hearts each time the doors closed. The bus gave a little hum and continued on its journey. Soon tiny drops of rain began to fall, pitter-patter, but the bus didn't stop. The wipers began to swish, 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 brushing away the rain so everyone inside could still see the beautiful world outside. Then came the sound of the horn, beep, 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 happy and bright, just to say hello to everyone along the road. The echo of the horn danced through the streets, waking up the sleepy flowers and making the birds flap their wings. Inside the bus, everything was full of life. The little children bounced with excitement, giggling as the bus went up and down over tiny hills. The babies made their soft, funny sounds, a few little cries here and there, while their loving parents gently smiled and patted them to sleep. The bus kept going strong and steady, as if it loved, carrying everyone safely through the busy town. The driver's hands guided it kindly, the wheels spun joyfully, and together they made a perfect team. All around the city sparkled, lights blinking, people waving, and laughter floating in the air. It was a song of movement, a dance of joy, all because of one happy little bus that never stopped smiling. When the day slowly turned to evening, the bus rolled back to its station, its wheels slowing down round and round, until it came to a soft stop. The town was quiet now, and the bus seemed to whisper goodnight as the stars twinkled above.